Hey there everyone! We are apartment hunting. We have certain criterias and we are supposed to do at least 4 or 5 tours today. We are here for 2 days. We are hunting in Omaha and in Lincoln. So wherever we find the best, we'll decide to move there. So let's get started. So we are at the first facility that we want to take the tour of, and our tour starts at 10 a.m. So it's like 15 minutes before time, and the office isn't open yet. We are here, so we are taking the walking tour in the community, and so far it looks good. Some of the apartments have the view of some beautiful trees. Well, right now it's early spring, so there are not much to see because there are basically no leaves on the trees, but we are looking forward to it. So we are just done with the first tour. The only thing we are a bit concerned about is the feel, and the place feels a bit what to say? What's the word?
Concrete.
Too much concrete, a bit too much concrete. The apartment itself was beautiful, I think. It is spacious, good place to work, and we are working from home, both of us. So I think there is proper space for that too. And we sometimes have family over to like once a year, so there was space for that too, just enough, I think. So it was a good one, the first one to start with, and we are ready to go to the second one. And good thing is that it's in our range, which is like around 1300 bucks and under. So it seems like it's in our range with the view as well. So we are ready to go to the second one, right?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, so this one so far definitely has better view. I can definitely see myself walking there and running there, and Piyush can see himself biking there. And there's this little creek, and I can definitely see it being more green during the summertime. This one is a self-guided tour, so I'll take you along with me, and I think this one is definitely feeling better than the last one, at least to begin with. Let's go. And then this is the laundry. Plenty of space. This is the first room. I like that there is that big window. And this is the closet. More storage here as soon as we enter, which is kind of like coat closet, and I guess you can put your footwear over there. Where is the focus? Come on. And then there is a second room over here, which is I think slightly bigger than our current guest room. So I wouldn't mind that because I can set the workstation right there. This is the second bathroom. Okay. And I think the patio is something of a gem over here because it seems not patio but balcony. It seems super big. Look at this. This has to be at least 1.5 times than the one we are living in right now. Good. Okay, so we are done with the second one. So we are just a list of a few pros and cons. I loved the size of the balcony, which is like at least 50% bigger than ours, and we can have a little bit of the storage. I am looking forward to a garden in the future, like the balcony garden, small garden. I love to grow things. And then I liked the storage space. The washer and dryer closet itself is really big, and then each room has closets, and then the as soon as you walk in the apartment, there is another closet where you can put your footwear, you can put your winter coats, of course. And yeah, so those would be the pros for me. The cons would be and yeah, another pro would be the location. There is a beautiful creek, a small creek, which I showed you earlier, right behind the apartment, so you can walk, run, jog, and you can also bike there. So that looked pretty good to me. The cons would be place is slightly older, the whole community itself, so there might be a few maintenance issues that we might run into if we move in. A second would be the lighting. The hallway isn't lit as good as we would want it to be. There is no natural lighting in the hallway itself. It's just the artificial lighting, which I don't think I could do anything about that, but it's just how the amenity is. This is a simple but practical space. I think that's the line that I would go with over here. And Piyush really liked it because of the balcony too, right? He liked it. He was a fan of balcony.
It's definitely spacious.
Yeah. So we have 3 more to do, which is a big number. We'll cover that. Okay, so here is the third one. I think pretty standard. This is the model that they are showing to us. So this is on the first floor. The one available will be on the third floor. The good thing about this one is there is a fireplace. I have never lived with a fireplace, so that would be cool. And then over here there is this dining area, nice. And then there is that kitchen. Can you see Piyush working in that kitchen? And then there is the fridge. This would be the main door from the hallway. And then there is actually, this one has 1 bathroom. Look at this cute little bed. To be honest, this one seems the smallest one so far that we have seen. But let's see. We're keeping our mind open. That's the bathroom, full bathroom, mirrors. I'm wearing a mask, so the voice might be a bit fuzzy. This is a deal breaker for us. If we don't have a washer and dryer, we are not even looking at the apartment. Yeah, we are a little boozy. The big closet space in this one. And then this is the main bedroom, which looks pretty good. Actually, this is the thing about the model model apartments, that they just decorate it as beautiful as possible. So we just did the fourth tour of the day. One more is left, and I think so far I think this is our favorite out of all four. Area overall looks good. I'm out of breath. I work out every day. I shouldn't be. Well, yeah, so that's about the fourth one. We'll go to the last one now, the fifth place that we are looking forward to. That's the closest to Piyush's office location. So, we do have one more to look in Omaha. That would be on Monday. But let's see. Okay, I like the color of the door here, first of all. Ah, I like it. Yeah, I love the window in the kitchen. Then one bathroom, walk-in shower, light. Okay. Hi. This is the first room. I like that there are two windows. Closet. And then this is another bathroom. Cool. And the second room. Again, two windows. That's cool. Closet space. Hey there, sorry to interrupt you in between, but while editing this video, I just realized that the video is going to be a bit too long, so I have decided to divide it in two parts, part 1 and part 2. I do want to give you one update ahead of time, one heads up ahead of time, that the second video will not have any apartments viewing in Lincoln, because we couldn't visit Lincoln's apartments due to heavy rainfall, and we decided to look for more apartments in Omaha itself. So you'll see, I think, at least 4 or 5 more apartments in Omaha in the second video, so stay tuned for that one. I'll see you next time. Bye.